Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply the Shake Pro effect in CapCut or PC using transition. Go to media and select your images you like to edit. Alright, and go to transition and you can find the Shake 2. So this is Pro effect. You can join properties to be able to use this effect. So just click on add to track. So previously I set the image duration in 2.0 second and you can adjust for the transition in 1.0 second. Just click apply to all the clip. You can see the final result. Right. Go to effect and select the camera shake or just select the shake. Right. So you can select the shake effect here. Just for the duration, and this is the plan of like. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.